Namaskar friends, welcome to Electronics Technology YouTube channel. Topic of defense technology news is Iran launches 315 missiles and 294 drones in retaliation during first day of US-Israeli campaign. The start of the US-Israeli campaign against Iran was met with retaliation. As in 2025, Iranian forces made extensive use of available missile systems and long-range loitering munitions. A significant number of projectiles fell on the territory of Arab states that support the United States in various ways. According to official statements from the authorities of the United Arab Emirates, Qatar, Bahrain, Jordan, Kuwait, Oman, and Saudi Arabia, the first day of fighting brought a large number of Iranian attacks on targets in those countries. In the case of ballistic and other missile systems, 315 missiles of various types were launched. Most were intercepted and neutralized in flight using available missile defense systems, including THAAD and Patriot batteries. According to official sources, a total of 45 Iranian missiles fell on the territory of the states mentioned. The highest numbers were directed at the United Arab Emirates with 137 missiles, of which 135 were intercepted, Qatar with 66 missiles, all intercepted, Bahrain with 45 missiles, all intercepted, and Jordan with 49 missiles, of which 13 were intercepted. These figures also demonstrate the importance of the systematic expansion of missile defense capabilities in the countries along the western shore of the Persian Gulf. The data reflects interception efforts and impact outcomes as reported by national authorities. In addition to missiles, Iran launched a substantial number of long-range loitering munitions. At least 294 were reported to have fallen on the territories of the same states. The largest number was directed at the United Arab Emirates, with 209 launched and 195 destroyed in the air, and at Jordan, where 45 detonated on the ground. In the United Arab Emirates, 3 civilians were killed, citizens of Pakistan, Nepal, and Bangladesh, and another 58 people were injured, citizens of the United Arab Emirates. Individual drones entered the airspace of Qatar, Bahrain, and Kuwait, with at least 10 not shot down. The figures cited above include only data drawn from official statements issued by the respective national authorities or command structures, such as US Central Command. Do you like this video? Please subscribe, share, like and press bell icon for getting notifications of Electronics Technology YouTube channel, and for searching my YouTube channel please write @Electronics Technology 50.